Hello and welcome to a new video. So today is December the 6th, so we are going to be opening the 6th door today. Usually I try to get my videos up around about 2:30, so it's mid-ish day, but I have been so busy, so this is going to be uploaded pretty later today, and I'm just going to get right into door number 6 right here. There is a blowfly flying around my room right now, so if you do hear that, I'm so sorry. So in door number 6, we had little Ollie, which you can have him in his normal hair, or he comes with this little cap. And he has 2 little propellers that you can put into the hat, I believe. Just like that. That is so adorable. So now we have little Ollie. And we have little Paisley. And I will change her back. And here the both of them are. They are so adorable and so tiny. And this is the backstory of Paisley and Ollie's Christmas, because they do live right next door to each other. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll hopefully see you in the next ones. Happy holidays.